200 subscribers. I want to thank each and every one of you so much, and make sure that you stay tuned to this entire video. You don't want to miss those giveaway details.
Oh baby, let me change your life. You want to see that you can be anything you want, baby.
Hey guys, it's your girl and I for Kicks. Welcome back to the channel. Let's get right into what's been going on this week in the sneaker world. We did have Michael Jordan's birthday on the 17th. So Sneakers app actually did a Jordan Reserve, like a restock of several different pairs of retros. They did the Jordan for the PSGs, which I already have. They did the Jordan 4 Fire Reds, which is already in the collection. They did the Jordan 5 What Does. Not really interested in that. Too much of a ketchup and mustard vibe for me. They also did the Jordan 11 Jubilees and the Jordan 1 Biohacks. Again, two sneakers of which I already have in my collection. Then they also did this exclusive release, of the restock. Of course, your girl did not hit on that, but they did the Jordan 5 Off-White. They did the Jordan 3 Fragments, as well as those Jordan 11 Adapts. Yeah, it would have been really dope to hit on that. So then today we saw several dunks get dropped. Of course, if you watched my last video, you already know that I was going for those UNLV dunks. They are, that scarlet and gray, those Ohio State colors. So I really wanted those. Put in all my reservations for the different sneaker apps, Foot Locker, Foot Action, Champs. I was also up this morning on Sneakers app trying to get that, hit. Well, I'm sorry, it was actually a draw today, so I entered all of that, took L's across the board. Even on the other dunks, they had the Coast, and then they had the royal blue and black ones. L's straight across the board. So enough about the L's that I've been taking. Let's talk about the W that I did get within the last week. The package finally arrived today. I am super excited about this shoe. You probably already know what it is. One of the most hyped up releases right now, a classic. So let's go ahead and get into it, and I'll go ahead and open it so you guys can see what that W was. All right, guys, so as you'll notice, unless it's a women's exclusive, all my boxes are going to be the classic grade school Jordan box. Nothing or if it's a 1, you'll see the classic 1 box. So nothing crazy as far as the box goes on these guys, but they are pretty darn perfect. Like, there's no pink midsole. You've got the Nike Air on the back, just like the original. I mean, this is a beautiful shoe. So I know that mostly it was the men's pairs that did have that. There was like a pinkish tint to the midsole due to the quality of the paint. You were able to see that, like, the red kind of trying to shine through. Craziness. I know a lot of people were really worried about that. Some people are talking about if they get it and it's too pink, they paint it over, with the, the Angelus, that premium quality paint that people used to customize. Fortunately, again, my size is grade school, and that, as you can see, really wasn't an issue with the grade school sizing. So let's take a look at these bad boys on foot. please go and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like this video, comment below, give me some more suggestions of what you would like to see in the future videos, you know, things that can be improved upon. Also, as promised, once we hit 200 subscribers, which we have, we are now going to go ahead and do that giveaway. It is a t-shirt giveaway, custom an Eye for Kicks t-shirts. So in order to enter that giveaway, you must be subscribed to the channel. You must be following an Eye for Kicks on Instagram, and you will comment on the post. It will be the post on Instagram following this video that lists the giveaway. It lists the prize options. So all the specific, you know, directions or instructions on how to enter will be listed on that Instagram post as well. Make sure that you are, as I said, following me on Instagram, because I will be announcing the winner via Instagram Live. Didn't spend a ton of money on sneakers this week, so I'm hoping that I can go ahead and put that towards a ton of W's in the next month and a half or so. So make sure you are subscribed and have that notification bell hit so that you can see what I have my eye on next.